Hi everyone, welcome to Ferrari Modena, and yep, it's another lockdown episode. Another thing I'm trying to do on this beautiful car. So you saw recently that I changed the alarm siren, and you can see that on a previous video. So really pleased with that. Really not complicated, but you still got to get a certain amount of bravery up. I don't like messing around with anything that involves wires and plugging things in and all the rest of it. So super pleased with that. Next challenge that I have, since I've owned this car, been staring at, is this exhaust muffler. So it's got sort of patches where it was kind of someone's had a go, and then it looks rusty everywhere else. And so I'm going to have a go at this and see how we can improve it. Now, I won't lie, I've wasted my money on a number of drill attachments and things that you need. Apparently, whatever you do, make sure it's stainless steel, because this is stainless steel. And if you use normal steel, you can damage the muffler. It can rust more aggressively. So that's the first thing. Whatever you buy, make sure it's stainless steel. Secondly, the drill bits and all that, they're pretty aggressive. So, and this is not an advert, because I've got about 8 subscribers. I eventually ended up buying some very fine, ultra fine in fact, sorry the sun's shining, steel wool. And I am going to use that. I'm going to combine it with some semi-chrome polish. I don't think you have to. I think metal polish in general will probably do the job. And I'm going to see what I can do with a bit of good old elbow grease. So I'll check back in later. Okay, so I've been putting a lot of elbow grease into this, and obviously you saw what it was like before, and the big reveal. I think you'll all agree that is a lot better. So we've got a shine, we've got rid of all the blur, and there's still stuff on there. It's not perfect, but wow, that is so much better. So bit of elbow grease, bit of fine, ultra fine stainless steel wool, and what a big change you can achieve.